Make a great choice today with the 2016 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.